This is a video to show how different kinds of fluid containers work. Let's start the simulation and first take a look at the cup. If you move the cup, you may notice that the fluid level is always horizontal, and we can adjust the fluid height. Next is the pipette. There should be a tip on it, but now it doesn't. We have one in the scene is here, and use your pipette to get close to the tip and we'll catch it. Here we go. And then we go to the microtube to get some sample. So here's the microtube with some fluid in it. You take it out, open the lid. Open, close, open. Okay. Take some sample. But before this, we need to set the volume of the pipette. So I have two keys to increase or decrease the volume. So we just arbitrarily set a value. 150. And dip the tip into the sample and press the pump to the first stage and release. You can see the fluid comes out from the microtube. If you want to put it back, push the pump to the first stage and then push hard to the next stage to make sure all the fluid comes out. So we adjust the volume and do this again. This time we reduce the volume. It's 51 and dip into the sample. Press the pump, release. This time much less fluid comes out. This time let's try to pour fluid from the cup to electrophoresis box reservoir. So if you just pour from one side, the fluid will go to the other side and the fluid level will increase. Okay, now let's try to contaminate the fluid. Get some sample. Turn it to the cup and pump. Oh, the fluid in the entire cup changed the color. That means the cup is now filled with new fluid. That's the problem for me now. I haven't figured out a way to properly mix two kinds of fluid. But that may not be a problem for our electrophoresis experiment. And finally, to get rid of the tip, just push the back button and the tip goes away.